work my team and I will do here will change our understanding of physics. We'll bring about advancements in power, advancements in medicine, and trust me, that future will be here faster than you think.
Where's Barry?
He went back to Central City. Wanted to get home in time to see them turn on the particle accelerator. I should take this. Hi.
Hey.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it back to Central City in time, but I missed the cutoff in line at Star Labs. I was late, as usual. But in the spirit of not being late again, if you ever decide that Oliver Queen isn't the guy for you, if you decide that you want to go on a date with someone else, you should know that that guy, he'll be on time.
Good to know.
Oh, hey, and I left something for Oliver. Hope he likes it.
Bye, Barry.
Bye, Felicity.
I'm Linda Park, and we're live outside Star Labs despite the inclement weather, which is only going to get worse. The torrential downpour has in no way affected the particle accelerator, which is up and running smoothly, according to Star Labs CEO Harrison Wells. The weather has already been here, as no one seems ready to leave. Those outside are finding cover wherever they can.
Even the Arrow deserves a Christmas present.
Here.
How do I look?
Like a hero.
What I hope you're thinking is, wow, Clay is serious but want to know where I put that money. I think I'll give him that account number now so he doesn't drop me into this vat of boiling tar. I'm sorry, what?
Central City Bank, account 5463728. Please pull me up now. I'm so sorry. I thought you said you were gonna kill him.
I say a lot of things.
This is the last farm on Barry's list.
Look, I know the kid's smart, but you said it yourself. Sometimes he's chasing flying pigs.
Well, let's check it out anyway.
Yes.
Why don't you just put a bullet in my head and be done with it? Or maybe you don't have the sack to pull the trigger.
I was gonna play another hand. Let you rest some, but lay down a challenge like that, what's a guy gonna do? I'm gonna get what I need from you. Or maybe one of those molars back there.
Get her. Hey, Tina. You're not looking too good, but I got something here that might put a smile on your face. What could we got here?
Oh my God. Vinny.
I'm sorry, Tina. Oh, so sweet. I thought you two were just cop buddies, but you can tell me, Vin. You're tapping that sweetest, aren't you? I wasn't sure which one of you to kill. Thanks for making up my mind for me. Get the tarp.
No, please don't hurt her.
Shut up.
Dr. Wells, we just got the latest weather report. A big thunderstorm is rolling in.
We're not launching a space shuttle. We'll be fine.
Tahiti?
I know it's a long flight, Ronnie, but we can binge watch Orange is the New Black.
Oh, okay, but what about Italy? Pizza and wine and more pizza.
Yes, but Italy doesn't have Mai Tais, and a honeymoon isn't a honeymoon without Mai Tais.
Dr. Wells, the accelerator is primed and ready for particle injection.
Wow. I feel I should say something profound, like one small step for man. All I can think of to say is I feel like I've waited for this day for centuries.
That's it? You'd think there'd be like a loud bang.
If there was a loud bang, we'd all be in big trouble.
Take it from the guy who helped build it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we did it.
My ties it is.
It's not safe! Come down! Brooke, I'm serious. It's gonna rain.
We're on tripping. This is the best seat in the house.
Woo! You know, when I said we should watch the particle accelerator turn on, I just meant we should get naked and howl at the moon.
It's already on. Consider me unimpressed.
Well, morning.
I got a plane to catch. What the hell? Come on, Clyde! Damn it. I think I got one of them.
The luck's gonna run out one of these days, little brother.
You've been telling me that since I was 10, Mark.
Because I've been taking care of you since you were 10. Now, let's go and get choppy. You might want to strap yourself in?
You just can't help yourself, can you?
How do I look?
Better? How much?
Do we really need to ask that question?
Our take wasn't that big.
Big enough. But the only question you should be asking is, what size rock you want dangling from this beautiful neck? A kiss from you makes my world spin.
You're so full of it, you know that?
I gotta be honest, I never understood this. But like my sister says, anyone can stoop over and pick up nothing.
What do you want, Snart?
I told you two to sit on your cut for a while, till things cool down.
Some of us like to actually spend the cash we get from these jobs.
Not when it's from the ones with me.
You didn't pull them off yourself. Without us, you'd still be kicking down liquor stores.
I think you spend too much time staring at yourself in the mirror because your perception of reality is a bit warped. You know the rule.
I don't give a damn about your rules. We're laying low. There's no one in the city who can stop us, including you, Snart.
Sounds to me like you're saying you want out.
Guess so.
Well, if you're out, you're out.